Hey, welcome to Co3 with Debacle. This video is going to have a look at how to save and access your replays for Co3. I'm making it because it doesn't look like there's going to be an official replay system until December. All links will be provided in the description, so click on them below to access the files that you'll need. So first we're going to go to GitHub and ZeniZap's replay. You'll want to download the zip. Once you have that downloaded, you want to go to your desktop, or wherever you've saved it, sorry. I've saved mine to my desktop, and we're going to want to extract it. You'll need WinRAR to do this. Once you've got the extracted folder, you can click to open that and extract it again. You're also going to want to open the replay README. Once we've created our folder, the next step is to put it into our co-Steam directory. So we're going to click that and navigate to our Company of Heroes 3 folder, and anywhere in here is fine. All you want to do is click, drag and drop. I've already got it there, so we're going to copy that in. So installing the replay system is as easy as that. So you should have a Q-Replay folder in your Steam Common Company of Heroes 3 directory, and it should look something like this. So once Q-Replay is in your Co3 folder, we can make some changes for quality of life to make it a little bit easier for you to access your replays. So you want to navigate to your My Games folder, located in your wherever your documents are saved. We're going to click Company of Heroes 3. We're going to right click the playback folder, and we're going to send it to our desktop, so it's easy to click into. We've created a shortcut there. I've already saved a few replays, but the one that we'll save after every game is your temp file. So that's the most recently played game. The process to save it for later, you can simply rename the test file, the temp file, or you can make a copy and rename that to something simple and lowercase, like so. Having spaces or some special characters will mean the game cannot read the replay name and will not work. So temp space hyphen space copy would not be able to be read by the game and will not load. Once we've created our playback folder, we're going to bring up our README again. And from here we are focused on two specific commands. That is this one, the dev replay playback function, which will tell Steam to play the replay in a dev mode, and the do file, which is the launch command for the replay system itself once you're in-game. So with these two commands, we're going to create a new text document on our desktop. We can name it something like Co-Replays. And we're going to copy those two commands into this new text document. Make sure you highlight from end to end. We don't want to create any extra spaces. Once we've got the commands copied in, we can save that replay text file we've just created, and we want to navigate to your Steam library. So find your Co3 game, right click it, and you want to go into the launch options. Here is where you're going to want to put this command. Now you can rename it to something like temp, which will replay your last save game, but just to give you an example of how the renaming function works, we're going to put our simple and lowercase replay in there, and we want it to look like this. So colon, the name of the file, and .rec. So once the dev replay playback command is in your launch options, we can close that. We want to last copy the do file so we can paste it into the console in the game. So we're going to launch it, and we're going to see the game load as normal, and then load the replay file. As the game starts, we're going to want to press Control, Shift, and Grave, or tilde, or your half option is usually whatever key is just below your escape key. So doing that, Control, Shift, tilde is going to bring up the console. In there, we can copy paste our do file and hit Enter. And now we have, and you press Control, Shift, tilde again to remove the console. And now you have the replay program, or a mod extension, whatever you want to call it. From here, we can change the speed, bring up the command card, get rid of the mini map if we want, all through the little cog icon there. Once you've finished with your replay, the last step is to delete the launch options so you can continue to play the game normally. I hope this video was helpful and informative. A big thanks to ZanyZap and the Cuban for making this Q-Replay mode possible. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe if you want to see more videos like it.